Hello guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. And today we're going to talk about when and how to apply lime in your yard. This video will explore everything that you'll need and provide simple methods to do it. So make sure you stick around for that. When you want to apply lime to your yard, you should do it during the fall or early spring. This is usually the time before the growing season, so there will be enough time for the lime to adjust to the pH of the soil. You should follow these steps. 1. Test your soil. This is always the first step. You should start by testing your soil to know its pH level, since lime is used to raise the pH level of the soil. You can do this by using a soil testing kit, which you can get from your local garden center. You can also send a soil sample to the lab to have it checked. Testing your soil will enable you to know the amount of lime needed. 2. Choose the correct type of lime. You should be aware of the different types of lime so that you can determine the right one for your yard. Choose a lime that matches your grass type, soil type, and the size of your yard. 3. Choose the correct amount of lime required. You should then calculate the amount of lime that you need for your yard. This is determined by the size of the yard. Also, the soil test results will enable you to know how much lime you'll need to apply per square foot. You should apply the right amount for better results. 4. Apply the lime. Apply the lime evenly. You should apply half of the yard going in one direction and the other half going in the opposite direction. This will enable you to create a cross pattern, which will help you achieve uniform coverage of your yard. 5. Water your yard. This is the last step. You should finally water your yard after applying the lime. Apply water lightly so as to help the lime absorb into the soil evenly. So there you have it. Applying lime to your yard should be that easy. Do you have any comments or questions? Make sure you drop them in the comments section and like this video. Till next time.